Here I've got REALME C25Y, and let me show you how to simulate color space on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, then unlock developer options if they are not active. Obviously, if you have no idea how to do it, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer panel. Then open system and reach developer options. Scroll all the way down till you see simulate color space. And here it is, so just mark it. And now you've got 5 options, so it can be disabled, and you will have the basic option. Then you can pick monochromacy, and it will look like this. Then you can choose red-green in the first option, then red-green in the second palette. Okay, so let me open it again. And then also blue-yellow. So these are the options, and to turn it off, just click on disabled. And this is it, that will be all. This is how you can simulate color space. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.